Method 1. Creating an exercise plan. Step 1. Write your exercise goal down. Step 2. Create high intensity cardio session. Step 3. Add strength training. Step 4. Vary your workouts. Step 5. Join a class. Method 2. Cultivating an active lifestyle. Step 2. Add a daily walk. Step 3. Change your commute. Step 4. Start fidgeting. Step 5. Invest in a stability ball. Step 6. Walk your dog often. Method 3. Trying out a balanced beginner weight loss workout. Step 1. Stretch out your body. Step 3. Do 50 crunches or sit-ups.